In the next few minutes of this short video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 so fast that it feels illegal. Your parents are going to think you are selling drugs. There are so many ways of making $1,000 really quickly. I have friends and know people who are making over $1,000 in just a few minutes, a few hours, etc. by doing stuff like YouTube automation, drop shipping, content creation, affiliate marketing, SMMA, selling services or products, and using AI to make money, etc. But there is one method or one software that is currently beating everything out of the water right now, and it is making people their first $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 all online. Especially if you are just a beginner, you've never made any money online, you have 0 followers and $0, it doesn't matter. You don't even need a computer to start. All you need is your smartphone and an internet connection, that's it. For example, AJ has earned over $17,000 from doing simple things which anyone can easily do, which I'm about to tell you in just a minute. And he earned around $500 in just a single day and still counting. So what method of making money or software am I talking about here? Well, it's called WAP. Iman Gatsi, who's really popular on YouTube, just invested into WAP because it's only in the beginning stages, and there are a lot of people who are already making thousands upon thousands of dollars per day. For instance, in just the last 24 hours alone, all these shots you are seeing are of people who have earned thousands of dollars in just a single day. This is insane. Are you not interested yet? They are doing all this by utilizing different ways of making money on WAP, like clipping videos or simply adding music in the background of a video, and you get paid per 1,000 views that you get on your videos or shorts. Or by creating simple user-generated content for the software, either faceless or with a face. These people are also making money from bounties by just posting on the app, and they are also making money by offering or selling products or services of different kinds, etc. The list just goes on. You can also easily do the same and make hundreds of dollars as well. This is arguably the best software to make money on right now. It is like when Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or agencies were just starting. We are in a gold rush right now, so if you miss this opportunity, I don't know if there will be another one which is easy and simple like this one. Cause with WAP, people who are just beginners, who have never made any money online, who have 0 followers or 0 skills or experience, etc., are making their first hundreds and thousands of dollars by doing simple tasks. So if you also want to grab, learn and profit from this opportunity while it lasts before it becomes saturated, then click this video, which is going to show you everything on how to make money on WAP step by step.